मिंट आईटी ने एआई यानी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का उपयोग करके व्यवसायों को बदलने के लिए अपने अभिनव दृष्टिकोण की घोषणा की। साथ ही नई दिल्ली के ललित होटल में एक दिन की मिराई जॉब सेरेमनी का आयोजन किया है। सेरेमनी में विभिन्न कार्य क्षेत्र के दिग्गजों ने एआई की शक्ति का उपयोग करके व्यवसायिक कार्य क्षेत्र में इसकी प्रक्रियाओं को सुव्यवस्थित करने की दक्षता बढ़ाने और विकास को बढ़ावा देने के लिए अपने सुझाव दिए हैं। मिंट आईटी के सीजीओ शैलेंद्र गुप्ता ने कहा है कि हम स्टार्टअप उद्योगों एवं सभी क्षेत्रों में एआई की सभी सेवाओं के लिए आधुनिक टीम के साथ उपलब्ध हैं। हमारा मिशन व्यवसायों को उनकी पूरी क्षमता को अनलॉक करने और आज की तेज गति वाले डिजिटल परिदर्शन में सफल होने में मदद करना है।
So good evening guys. So we had an exciting Mirai event today. We had more than 250 participants from the industry. These included business leaders, decision makers, CIOs and CXOs of big enterprises as well as small startups. And the intention of Mirai is basically to inspire and educate everybody about how AI is going to transform businesses in coming days and years. And what we are looking for is to create a community which is going to be the de facto AI authority in the coming days and years to come. We will start with India right now as a positioning, but ultimately we aspire to become a global community and become an AI authority for all the organizations across the world to look forward to. The reasons for that is that there is very limited access to the specific talents which are working on AI, and also one of the challenges is that most of the leaders do not have a correct understanding of the continuous disruption which is happening right now in AI. So as they get educated about what's happening in AI, once they understand what are the use cases which are going to provide the evident ROI, then they are also understanding and getting access to an ecosystem of IT partners and AI supporters, AI experts. The continuous development thing is a must for every CXO, and that is again one of the things that Mirai 24 aims to provide. So the intention is to keep all the leaders on the track and create a space where there is a lot of progressive and growth oriented conversations. Unfortunately in India there are very few spaces like that. In UK and US and in the world where you see a lot of innovation coming from, there are a lot of clubs where there's a lot of conversations of the decision makers happening totally about building a future which is better, happening totally about building something which is going to be about growth, looking at a progressive mindset, having a space where all the future conversations and the co-creation conversations can be done. Unfortunately in India all of that space is kind of missing, and Mirai intends to become that space for the people and the AI experts around us in the years to come. And how we are going to do is, we are going to have events which are going to happen once every 6 months, where people get to learn more about the details of what is happening in the AI in the world all around. Then we are going to have working groups. These working groups are going to have continuous engagements on specific fields, access to specific research, specific grants, specific investors, and also this will happen every quarter. And also we will have strategic retreats where we will be talking about and figuring out how we can bring the investors, the decision makers, the policy makers and the implementers all together so that the innovation can be done in India a lot. So we have had a variety of speakers today, and today the opening was done by Mr. Rajiv Sikka. He is the he's the group CIO of Medanta Hospitals, and he gave a fascinating speech about how AI is bringing a grassroots level innovation in healthcare. Given the size and scale of India and the kind of the healthcare difficulties and challenges that we have, AI can really be an enabler in kind of like providing the scaling opportunity for healthcare people to reach to the grassroots level, and which can also provide access to a lot of distributed healthcare. Then followed with that we had a session which was led by Rajesh Krishnamurthy, and he from Grey Orange, and he talked a lot about how the space tech is also one of the major factors in AI, and how AI is getting impacted and needs some kind of support from the space as well, because connectivity and latency is one of the major challenges in doing any AI implementations. Post that, we had Raminder Bedi, who talked from the Publicis Sapient. He talked about the computer vision. He showcased multiple use cases which clearly demonstrated the cutting edge technologies and the demos that he had to share. It was very interesting for everybody to see the real-time world implementations of how AI is detecting people on a live traffic feed, and movement, queue management, other stuff like that. So he educated everybody about what are the possibilities of the use cases in the corporate world. Post that we had Sarita from the Commonwealth Bank, and she educated about use cases in AI and use cases of AI in BFSI, and then she also detailed out how the AI is really helpful in doing the fraud detection. And apart from that, we also had a few people like Rajesh Vij, where he talked a lot about the things which have really helped in automating the IT, and the increasing the efficacy of the code deployments. And at the end, we had a detailed panel discussion session where we had the government representatives, the public sector, the private sector, the policymakers, and a very varied panel which included people from IT services and academia as well. And they all talked about how AI is bringing in the new wave of revolution, and how AI can be instrumental in contributing to India's vision of becoming a $10 trillion economy in coming days and years to come. Because like everybody knows now, India's IT export is more than what is the oil export of Saudi Arabia. And now we are looking at how we can increase that further and contribute to the growth of India in the world leading economies table. And it was a very fascinating event, and there are a lot of follow-ups expected. There are a lot of hard work which is going to happen behind the scene, and stay updated for the the next updates about